Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the Wi-Fi adapter is active and drivers are current because the hotspot depends on that hardware. Once done, plug in or disable battery saver. Windows can turn off sharing to save power. Now open Start, go to Settings, then Network and Internet, and choose Mobile Hotspot. I'm guiding you through to the exact control you need so you don't toggle the wrong switch or miss a prerequisite. Now configure how the hotspot shares internet. Select Wi-Fi or Ethernet from the Share My Internet Connection menu so Windows uses the correct source. Then edit the network name and type a secure password because weak passwords invite access. Make sure you pick whether to share with all devices or limit connections. If you need phone pairing, enable Bluetooth. These steps determine reach, security, and which adapter carries the traffic. Toggle the hotspot on and watch for connected devices. This activates the SSID immediately. You should connect a phone or tablet and test browsing so you confirm DNS and routing work. If you see no internet, check that the client got an IP and signal is strong. Then restart the Wi-Fi adapter, run Windows Network Troubleshooter, and update the wireless driver. If problems persist, disable third-party.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.